Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Central Oregon Shenanigans. It's Saturday night. My brother-in-law came through, and we have a Redhead steering box out in the 6-liter that we're going to throw in the Bronco tonight and part of tomorrow morning. So, with that being said, I'm really excited. I've always wanted to try out a Redhead steering box, so this video is going to be information for me and you guys. I would like to put one in my Super Duty. So, anyway, before we get started tonight, there is a channel and there is a young man that deserves your attention. Please go over and check out Hodge, Podge, Dodge Garage. Zane is starting a YouTube channel. I, myself, and John Fox, we'll talk about him in a minute, got together when John was down here for a collaboration, and we're like, this guy's got some really good videos. I think he had 10 videos up at the time. He started a channel this summer. He had been commenting on my videos. I checked him out. I got a hold of him. Like, hey, can I, give you a shout out? I see potential in your channel. I think it's worth the effort to go down in that description below. Hit the link. Go over to Hodge, Podge, Dodge Garage. If you don't like it, you don't got to subscribe, but just give me and Zane that one opportunity. Go check them out. If you like what you see, hit the subscribe button and become a subscriber. I'm trying to get Zane up to 1,000 subscribers. He deserves it. And I think you guys are going to enjoy his content. You watch me, you might as well go watch Zane because he's got some potential. I like the guy. Big shout out to Zane. Big shout out to Zane, and go check out Hodge, Podge, Dodge Garage. Now, if you're tuning into this video and you don't know who the Fox Shop is, shame on you. He's better than me. Go check out the Fox Shop. The link is going to be also in the description below. John Fox, the Fox Shop. Go check him out. All right, guys, let's get started on the Bronco. Let's get unboxing our new steering box. Alright guys, before we get started with the unboxing, which there's not much of an unboxing, Redhead has shirts in their store. You guys are going to like this. So, here's the front of the shirt. You got Redhead steering gears. You got the steering box on the front. And on the back, you're going to like this. Make your steering great again with the American flag. What a great saying. I like it. I like it. And then also, they sent a sticker for the fridge. So we got a steering box from Redhead Steering Gears right here. So we'll go over here and put it on the refrigerator. There we go, guys. Our steering box on the refrigerator. Now, let's unbox the steering box. This is what it came in. We went straight to the store. My brother-in-law did for me, Heath. And I am not sure what that does. I'm going to have to read the directions. But there is a Redhead steering gear box for a 1978 Ford Bronco right there. And my, is it pretty. Pretty. Alright guys, I decided I put the pump on at first. I was going to try to put everything in at once. I'm just going to put the box down in here and see if I can just do this. Yeah. 2 lines go right here by the fuel line. I'm just going to go ahead and put those lines in. No, I don't like where those are. I'm gonna put the pump. I'm gonna put the pump on. I don't like that. All right, I'll catch you in a minute. I'm gonna get those 2 lines on. I got the pump attached to the box. It's just gonna be easier that way. I do not want to get the wrenches in there. All right, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I'm pretty ticked off. This bolt right here, I've been 45 minutes and I haven't used these words in a long time on a project, and I am not happy. This one decided it was going to cross thread. I bet my neighbors are like concerned about me. I got it cleaned up. I think it went in rough, but then it got easier as it went. I'm not happy about that. But those two went in just fine. And trying to wrestle this in by yourself. All right, guys. Not filming much. I'm in a bad attitude. I just had that one bullet put me in a bad mood. Power steering pump is on. Lines are hooked back up. I had to take the lines off the pump, and I had them spun around too many times. I don't even think... I'm dumb. I would have to go back on camera. This is too loose, but I gotta tighten that up still. Or something. Or maybe it's supposed to move that much. I don't know. This seems wrong to me. Drop it in the comments down below if you think that that placement's wrong. I think it's supposed to go the other way. I think it's supposed to loop behind. Yeah, I can take it off and I don't know. It's just there's not very much clearance here between. I guess I could bend the line. But yeah, the Redhead box is in. All right, it's the next morning, guys. I just got the pitman arm on. I hope that these boxes come dead center. And I had to just turn the wheel to get it to line up. Next, I'm gonna, off camera here, I didn't charge the GoPro last night, so I bought Type F. Fail. Bought Type F transmission fluid for the box. This is what came in these trucks from the factory. Was Type F automatic transmission fluid, so that's what we're going to use. Hopefully we don't have any problems. I'm getting a little bit nervous. I spent all this money on this box, and it's got to be what the problem was. So we'll see you guys here back when I get this topped off and start it up. Alrighty, guys. So now that I've got this jacked up, the directions say to go 15 to 20 minutes left to right, left to right, left to right, and do not start the vehicle for a minimum of 2 hours. And I should have read the directions first because I already fired it up to I didn't warm it up. I just want to make sure the Bronco would fire. I hope I didn't screw anything up. But yeah, left to right for 15, 20 minutes, wait 2 hours, top off the reservoir and see what happens. So I'm gonna get to bleeding the air out of this sucker. Guys, this is a little bit more difficult than I thought it was going to be to bleed the air out of the Bronco. After messing with this thing I have my son helping me right now. I don't know where my phone went. I'd say we've been at this for at least an hour and a half. I found some old Ford procedures online, and then I found a thread or a vlog. I'm gonna post up instructions here, and if you guys that's how I got this steering system to bleed air, and it's working so far. If you follow those steps, you're going to get the air out of your box. I'll go over that in a minute, but yeah, I think we have a power steering box that's working, and we have a nice quiet pump. I think we got all the air out of it. The trick is using the starter motor, so you get that 50 RPM instead of the 800, because you go from just turning left to right with the pump not working. Is it getting hard again? All right, I'm gonna catch you guys in a minute. I'll tell you how this went. All right, guys, with his help, we got the power steering working. The biggest trick is to go follow that list that I just posted from online. Yeah, that's going straight from left to right. I followed the procedures of Redhead steering boxes, and it sucked. It did not work. Granted, I did not wait a full 24 hours like they say to let the air bleed out. It's just stupid. It's like, what if you need your truck? Anyway, where I was trying to go before my phone rang was when you go from going left to right, back and forth up on jack stands, to starting the engine and going back and forth, you're going from no RPM to 800 RPM. If you unplug the coil, which I did, just pulled this off, unplugged the coil, and went left to right while my son was holding the key, I did it about 7 to 8 times, back and forth, lock to lock, 7, just counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's kind of hard on your starter. You can use it, what I was getting at is you can use a drill. You can hook up a drill, take your belt off, somehow rig something up, you know, where you can put an Allen key on your drill and stick, if you have enough room in here, and spin it, have a buddy spin it over to get that 50 RPM out of your pump while you're going left to right. I read online the 78, 79 Bronco F-150s are one of the hardest boxes to actually get to prime, to get the air, to bleed the air out. So yeah, that wasn't, it was difficult, but it wasn't. Once I found that procedure, like I said, I left it in a clip there. We were talking about it. I'll leave it at the very end of this episode for a minute. I'll just leave it a dead spot for 1 minute where you can scroll right before my end screens there to go over the procedure. I'll put that at the end. So take a look at that, guys. And use that. That's what I used, and of course you guys want to see it work, so let's do it. What a mess. I've got a mess to clean up. There's just ATF everywhere. Ugh. Look at that. One finger, both directions, just smooth. My pump's even nice and quiet. Look at that. Now, my steering wheel isn't straight. I think straight's like this, so I've got to take my shaft back off with the tires straight and fix my steering wheel. And double check all my bolts and make sure they're all tight. But yeah, guys, the nice thing is, I'm turning that way and I'm turning that way. Like, there's no play. There's literally, yeah, there's no play. So, I am happy. It was the box. It was the box the whole time. Well, even if it wasn't the box, because we didn't do that same procedure that I found, but the box still needed to be replaced. It did have slack in it, and it leaked out the shaft down to the pitman, or the drop pitman arm. So, guys, I've got a big mess to clean up. I hope everybody's doing very well today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm excited. We got one big accomplishment done. Today, I'm going to get this video up. I'm going to go in now and I'm going to edit, eat some lunch. And I'm going to come back out and tinker with the Bronco. And we're going to get the 460 on an engine stand today. I'm going to do that I'm going to film it, but I'd like to get an episode up for Sunday. So, guys, give this video a big thumbs up. Give a good comment down below. Shoot, drop these into social media for Kyle and I and help boost this channel. It helps. Every little bit helps. Even, you know, on your Facebook page, drop it, link a video, link the channel description, something. Always helps. Welcome to all the new subscribers. It's been climbing up, and I never in 100 years would think that we'd have this many subscribers and followers, but I'm excited, guys. This Bronco, all I need to do now on this Bronco is get that rear end figured out so our driveline angles are better. We're going to rotate that axle up. It's actually not horrible, but we're going to rotate that axle up. See if that even helps it, and if not, then I'll have to get a driveline built. And then I'm excited for doing the 460 swap. I'm going on here, guys. You guys have better things to do than watch me on a Sunday. So, guys, till next time, see you here on Central Oregon Shenanigans. Bye-bye.